Alright, now we're doing 7Q perpendicular lines. This is by Melon Fruit, and 94% of the people like it. So we're given an input in, which represents the amount of lines that we're given, and our job is to figure out what is the maximum amount of perpendicular bisectors we can make using these lines, right? And so a perpendicular bisector, if you don't know, is one that forms 90 degrees. N will always be greater than or equal to 0, right? So here's the examples with 3 and 4 lines. So you see 3 will make 2, 4 will make 4. If we added a 5th one, it would make 6. If we added a 6th one, it would make, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus these 4 would be 9, and so on and so forth. And so, using this information, we have to figure out something on this one. If you just want to sit here for forever and try to figure it out like you're Isaac Newton or some other math guy, you can. But, you know, that's why you came to this video, right? So right here, what we can do is we can say const max bisectors equals n, and we'll just put an arrow right here. All right, so down here, this isn't like anything we're going to need like a ton of methods or anything for. We just have to think for just a second, all right? So this is going to be 2 for 3, so we can't really figure anything with that, but this is going to be 4 for 4, right? And then 6 for 5, 9 for 6, and then the more you go up, the more difficult it gets. So basically, after you thinking about it for a while, you'll come up with something like this. You'll say, what is this? Like this, if we square the amount of lines here, like let's say 3 times 3, 9, right? And then divide that by 4, it'll be 2 point whatever, okay? And then we round down to just get 2, and you'll see there's 2. So if we get 4 and we square it, it's going to be 16. Now we divide that by 4, and we've got 4, right? Let's say we've got 5. We square that, 25. Divide that by 4, you'll get 25 divided by 4. We'll get 6 point whatever, you know, and then round down, and we got 6, right? So 5 will get us 6, and then let's do it 6 squared is 36 divided by 4, 9. So that's basically it. All we're going to do is say n squared divided by 4, and then we just have to round down with this. So we're going to use the Math.floor function, which always rounds down and returns the largest integer less than or equal to any given number. So we'll just wrap this up in parentheses right here and type Math.floor and test it out. And there we go, and attempt it, and there we go, and submit it. All right. And we get over here, and you'll see pretty much everybody does it. This little, I forgot what this thing was called. This little one pipe right here is basically like doing a Math.floor. If you do a pipe and a 0 right here, it's basically like Math.floor. Here's Math.floor right here. Basically the same thing here. You just have to go through and look at it, I guess. And you'll pretty much go down and see all of them are similar. So here's mine right here, very much like, best practice in my opinion, very much like it, and we'll see you next time.